In front of me is an ID2ME ID1 phone, and I'll show you how to remove the lock screen through the hard reset. So as you can see, there is a lock screen, and what we're gonna do is power off the phone. So hold the power key and select power off. Once more, wait for the device to turn off, and once it's off, we'll hold volume up and power key together. So volume up, power key, hold it both. And as you can see, and now we're in boot mode. So from here, you're gonna select recovery mode, and I highly doubt that you can see this tiny little writing on the screen, but it's the first option. So using the volume up to select, choose the first option, and then confirm it by pressing volume down. So like so. Wait a moment, and we should be now in recovery mode. And from here, we're gonna select wipe data / factory reset using volume up and down to scroll. So not like previously, we actually now can use both of the keys to go up and down instead of only one. So select wipe data factory reset and confirm it with power button. So power key, then select yes, delete all user data. So it's gonna go from the bottom or not, usually you can. So like so, confirm it with power key. Then you see the message on the bottom, formatting / data, wiping data. Give it a moment. As you can see, now it's finished, but not quite. We need to now press on Reboot System Now. So basically just confirm it with power key, because it should be already selected, as you can see, the first option. And now the data wiping will continue in the background while the phone is turning on. So it will actually take a little bit longer than it normally takes for the phone to turn on. So just be patient, and I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, and as you can see, now we're in the setup screen, so we can just go through this really quickly. I'm just gonna skip most of it and do it just in a quick way. As long as Google allows me to do it quickly, okay? So okay, skip anyway. And as you can see, now we're in the home screen. And the lock screen is also removed, as you can see. Yeah. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.